Alright, it is before work and I am trying to tackle this brake problem one more time, and my last thought is the banjo bolt. If for some reason it was drilled wrong, of course there's a bunch of noises and a guy creepily driving by. If the banjo bolt was drilled wrong, or maybe I got the wrong banjo bolt, that could technically do the same problem that I'm having. Is I replaced everything, and when I push on the brakes, it pulls to the left. And a little bubble here and there is not gonna do it. It's not gonna really pull the vehicle to one side. So I'm gonna throw in the old banjo bolts because I kept them. I'm a pack rat or a hoarder. I keep everything, and we're gonna see if that's gonna solve the problem. Alright, so I'm still having a problem whenever I apply the brakes. The vehicle will pull to the left, which still means on the left side that the caliper is squeezing, sooner than the right side. Normally, if you haven't done any brake work whatsoever, it's either one of two or three things. Sticky brake caliper, air in the line because air compresses, so it's not gonna compress the piston soon enough, or the brake hose is bad. Alright, so I've replaced everything. The only thing that I've noticed that is different with all of this is this banjo bolt right here. Not saying that the color has anything to do with it, but I don't know. That's the only thing that I haven't tried messing with, is the banjo bolt. So I'm gonna remove this banjo bolt and put in the old ones. That's pretty much it. That's the only thing I got right now. And I am gonna replace both of them. However, the other banjo bolt on the driver's side does look similar to the original chrome colored one, similar to this. This one is like a goldish color. Again, not saying that has anything to do with it, but maybe the hole on the inside is drilled wrong. I'm not sure. That's the only thing I can come up with. Here's the other banjo bolts. Not saying that there's anything different than these, but I'm just thinking maybe that little tiny hole right there is drilled wrong. So we're gonna throw the old ones back in and see if that changes it. Alright, well, I'm no expert or anything like that, but these bolts look completely different to me. From the head of the bolt to the edge, well, we'll just go to the bottom of the hole since I can measure that easily. It says 7.06 millimeters, okay? This one is a lot different. Alright, so the original bolt, 7.06 millimeters. The bolt that came with the new caliper, 8.14. That is a huge difference. Wonder if I can measure the inside. I don't know if I can get a very good measurement on that. 2.26 and 2.27. That's pretty close. Just for a quick comparison, which you're not going to be able to see on the video, but this one looks correct compared to the old one. It's a little more similar, but that's fine. I'm going to put the old one in anyway. Slam on the brakes here. Ready? Still doing it. Here we go again. I mean, that's far. Real far. Alright, here we go. Let's try it. No pull. Fixed. Sweet. Yay. My dog will not shut up. Can you freaking believe it? It was just a banjo bolt. I've been driving around like this for like a week and a half and just racking my brain. Why is it pulling to the left? Everything is replaced. But banjo bolt, the depth of that hole was just a little too deep. So what that does is it just restricts the flow, you know, just ever so much, and you don't get equal braking. So that's pretty much what the problem was. Anyway, I did go down there and let them know what the problem was. I kind of bitched just a little bit. Now I know it's not their fault or anything like that. It was their quality assurance, or, you know, wherever they get their parts from. I don't know if they just dropped the wrong bolt in there, or maybe it was a Monday or a Friday. I don't know. Hopefully it's just a one-time thing and I was the lucky winner that got that bolt. Whatever, I don't know. Anyway, I did have them replace my brake pads for free, just in case I had a brake pad issue from driving around the truck for like a week and a half. I didn't have them replace my rotors because I literally just replaced those as well. And those are a little bit tougher to do on a 2500 back here. You got to beat out the studs off the hub and all that kind of stuff. It's a little bit more of a task. It's not just swapping one out real quick, and they had no problem with that. So anyway, if you just replaced a caliper or both and your vehicle is still pulling to one side, maybe keep the old hardware just in case. Yeah, so there you go. I gotta get ready to go to work, so I will see you on the next one.
Average Joe just uploaded a video about snowblowers. I need chip clips.
Do you have any tools up here?
I have pliers.
The ones I gave you?
Mm-hmm.
They're not very sharp.
You gave them to me. Oh.
Chips. Cut a piece.
Thank you.
Boom!